Meet Brad. Brad is the music director for a local high school. Brad's limited budget makes it difficult to purchase the instruments he needs and repair the instruments he has. This is Diane. She is a rep for a school music dealer that sells and repairs musical instruments. Diane tells Brad about BGE Financial's School Lease Purchase Plan, which provides financial assistance to schools, universities, and booster programs so they can acquire instruments. With the help of BGE, Diane is able to sell Brad instruments with annual payments over 2 to 5 years. Brad can get the new instruments he needs while avoiding costly repairs that drain his budget. Diane is excited because she was able to help Brad and increase her sales. Brad is able to stretch his budget with BGE's School Lease Purchase Plan. Visit www.bgefinancial.com/calculator to calculate a payment, see the buying power of this program, or create a proposal.